In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipt on Instagram. So when you receive a message on your Instagram DM and you go through the message, the sender will know that you have already read the message and this person might be waiting for a reply. However, if you fail to reply instantly and you pretend as if you do not see this message, it will cause some misunderstanding or rift. So if you want to easily read messages on Instagram without showing read receipt, you can do this. So if after watching this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn off read receipt on Instagram, all you need to do is open the Instagram application just like this, and then find your way to your Instagram profile. On your profile page, click on this menu icon. Then, just want to scroll down to how others can interact with you. Then you want to click on messages or messages and story replies. Then once you click on that, there are a few options available here. Then we are interested in who can see you are online. Then other who can see you are online. You want to click on show read receipt. Then once you hit show read receipt, you want to disable this. So toggle off read receipt, and when this is disabled, others will no longer see whether you've read their messages or not on Instagram. So this is how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.